Today, I'm going to show you how to cancel a bid on eBay in 2025. Quick, simple, and easy to follow. Let's get right into it. First, under that you can only cancel a bid in specific cases. Like if you made a mistake, the seller significantly changed the item description, or the seller hasn't accepted your bid yet. Here's how to check and cancel your bid. Log into your eBay account on desktop or mobile. Go to My eBay and then select Bids or Offers to see your active bids. Find the item you want to cancel the bid on a click and retract bid if available. You'll see the provide valid reasons for retraction, such as accidental bid or seller change item description. Confirm your bid cancellation. If the retract bid option isn't there, it means your bid cannot be cancelled. Your best option is to contact the seller directly or wait until the action ends. eBay limits bid retraction to prevent misissue, so use this feature carefully. And that's it. You have now cancelled your eBay bid the right way. If this helps you out, smash the like button, subscribe for more easy 2025 guides, and drop your questions below. See you in the next time.